Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ON B22 Light Fixture. There's an image of the light fixture right on top of the box. It comes with a 1-year warranty. This is a energy saving fixture. It comes with easy installation and also auto on off. On this side of the box, there's a direction of use. It tells you how to eject the bulb, how to insert the bulb, how to insert the auto socket into the bulb holder, and how to adjust the sensor towards the area of movement. It also says warranty covers only manufacturing defect, warranty ceased if the product found burnt, melt, water content, or by another natural calamities. Some more information here. Auto on socket to your ordinary light bulbs. Now install auto on socket and convert them to automatic light bulbs. It will keep the lights on only when required. Saves electricity up to 80%, provides surveillance, easy installation, environmental friendly product. The default on time is 1 to 2 minutes. And not just that, rated voltage is 220 volts, rated frequency is 50 Hz. Bulb holder type is B22, which I mentioned earlier. It can be used with any bulb, LEDs, CFLs up to 200 watt. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. And there you go. This is what the B22 light fixture looks like. This is the part that will go inside the fixture of the lamp, and the bulb will obviously go in over here. And this is the module that takes care of the auto on off feature. As you can see, this is a sensor that basically makes sure that the auto on off feature works. And yeah, there are a lot of controls over here as well. Unfortunately, there is no user manual that will help you use this. However, this particular box comes with a set of directions, and this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the auto on B22 light fixture. Thank you for watching.